we're gonna turn this into 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, completely remodeled home in Orlando, Florida.
That's some pressure there.
Well, here we are. Let's go take a look at what we bought. This is Real Estate Investing 101. Buying houses on the courthouse steps that you've never seen the inside of. We got pictures of the outside, we got Google Earth shots, but today is the day with the key finally to see what we got. Okay, filled with furniture. So this is the way they left the house. People that got foreclosed on and left everything as you see it. Oh, great kitchen. Look at this. Lights. This looks like a master bedroom. Let's see what we got in here. Bathroom. All right, still has a toilet. Tub doesn't look too bad. A little oversized. Needs a vanity. Floors don't look bad. Just got to get rid of all this trash. Isn't it amazing how people leave this stuff? They just leave it. They pick up and go. You'd be surprised how many houses we get like this. But this is going to be a 90-day challenge house. Oh, this light's on. 90-day challenge. Take this house, gut it out, clean out all the trash, make it look like new, put it back up for sale, sell it, close, and get paid. 90 days. We'll take you guys along the journey, show you room by room how we do this. This is how we're able to travel. In between traveling, this is what we do. Oh, great. Look at this garage. Let's see what the AC looks like. Oof, that's nasty. This all got to come out. All this has got to come out. Day one is just all about emptying the house out. We're sitting here waiting for the dumpster to show up. That will get filled in about 30 minutes and the trash out of here tomorrow. So within 24 hours of day one, completely vacant and cleaned out. As you can see, the dumpster is full. The house is empty. And tomorrow we prepare for paint on the interior of the house. Back on the inside, now that all of the junk is removed from the house, we can get a good look at the walls, the floors, and take a peek at what the kitchen actually looks like. So here, after they moved the car that was parked, we saw this cracked driveway. So in this room, we ran into some water damage on this wall and into the closet. So that sheetrock all has to be torn up and taken. There's a lot of preparation before you paint, not getting any paint on the tile. Here we are, day two.
I have to find out about cleaning that.
Prepping for painting. All the trash is out. Cabinets have to get ripped out and appliances will be gone. We got a house full of guys working today. Trash goes out. The county comes and takes it on Wednesday. House is getting pressure cleaned and prepped for painting. This is after the dumpster. This is the driveway that was removed from this spot because of a tree root in here. This will get concreted, replaced, and then the driveway refinished. The house has been sprayed one time in a light gray. The driveway has been dug up and the root removed. We'll wait on concrete patching, painting, and finishing of the exterior. Today is the day that the granite countertops will be installed, appliances delivered, and we get sink and water and a range hood.
This is a 3-2 in East Orlando, very desirable area. This was a very old house that we modernized, put granite countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances, did a really cool fan, and then white cabinets with
Very spacious master bedroom, full walk-in closet, and the new bathroom. Oh, and now the new master bathroom. Black and white theme, very nice. And we're in the second bedroom. This is where we had a lot of the water damage and sheetrock replaced on the wall here. Everything looks all brand new. Let's head down the hallway and see what else we can find. This is the third bedroom or an office. We're gonna head down the hallway here and check out the second bathroom. This has been completely updated also. And then here we're gonna swing around and go into the garage. It has a pretty good, awesome one-car garage with an electric door opener. With plenty of storage space and a spot for your washer and your dryer. Here's the new AC, all brand new. We're going to take a peek at the new screened-in back patio, air conditioning, and this pretty cool fenced-in backyard. And it even comes with these banana trees. There's plenty of fruit.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video today on how we flip houses in Central Florida. If you're moving to Florida and you need a house, call me, Park Place Homes. We're wrapping this one up today. Another new homeowner gets a Park Place home.